Very good morning, children. Hope you are having a great time. So now we are just going to continue our exercise 2.4, starting with fifth problem. So this is the problem which you have already carrying some idea while we are discussing exercise 2.2. So please follow the question carefully. Shobo's mother present age is, so it's very clear that we have two characters in this question. One is Shobo's mother is 6 times Shobo's. Okay, and they are discussing about present age. Here also present age, and the other thing is they are discussing about age after 5 years. Age after 5 years. Now look. So as we have two persons, so persons, you can write the solution just as I am writing. So persons, present age and age after 5 years. So age after 5 years. It's very clear that we have two persons, namely Shobo and Shobo's mother. Shobo and Shobo's mother. Now let us see. Shobo's mother present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. So it's very clear that mother's age is dependent on Shobo's age, because it is 6 times Shobo's present age. Hence, we have to take that unknown value as Shobo's present age. Okay, so let us take that Shobo's present age is X years. Okay, we are taking the age of Shobo as X years. Then what is going to be Shobo's mother's present age? Shobo's mother present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. 6 times means 6 into X. It is 6x years. Hope you are clear. I am going to take Shobo's present age as X years. By the problem, Shobo's mother age will be 6 times present age of Shobo. That means 6 into X, 6x years. So this is the situation with their present ages. Now, Shobo's age after 5 years. Shobo's age after 5 years. So usually if the present age is X, what will be age after 5 years? X plus 5 years. Isn't it? Here also age of the mother. Age of the mother after 5 years will be 6x plus 5 years. Okay, this is the point which is quite important, because if the present age is X, after 5 years means we have to add 5. Here the present age of mother is 6x. After 5 years means 6x plus 5 years. So this is the thing. Now look, Shobo's age after 5 years from now. That means this. By the problem, Shobo's age after 5 years from now is X plus 5 is equal to 1/3, that means 1/3 of mother's present age only. So we are not at all bothered about her age after 5 years. So because they gave here present age. What is the present age of mother? 6x. Okay. Now look. Here 3 ones are 3 twos are. X plus 5 is equal to 1 into 2x, 2x. Okay, transpose this plus x to the other side. So we'll have 5 is equal to 2x minus x. That is 5 is equal to 2x minus x is x. Or we can write x is equal to 5. What exactly is x originally? present age of Shobo. Okay, therefore present age of Shobo is equal to X is equal to 5 years. Okay, and present age of Shobo's mother, what is the present age of Shobo's mother? 6x. 6x is equal to 6 into the value of x is 5. That is equal to 30 years. Okay, 30 years. Hope you are clear. So please copy this nicely into your CW. Now let us move to next question. Now the sixth question. Look, very nice and important questions. For the space management, I just took out those sentences like Mahuli village, everything. Now look, so there is a narrow rectangular plot. So the important points are the things that are to be noted for this question is rectangular plot. Length and breadth are in the ratio 11:4. So 11 comes to length and breadth will be given as 4. So look, let us take that first. So given ratio of length and breadth, is equal to 11:4. Then their values, that means we are converting the ratio into values. Then their values is equal to 11x, 4x respectively, because 11x means length there and 4x means breadth. Hence this word respectively is quite important. Now look, at rupees 100 per meter cost at rupees 75,000. Here the important point is fence. Okay, so if this is going to be that rectangular plot, okay, in this they want to fence it. That means they want to protect it by keeping a fence like this. So as we did, length is 11x and breadth is 4x. Okay, see here the word fence indicates, that means we will cover only this line only, isn't it? Only the cross-sectional part. Hence this fence, the term fence gives us a clue that they are discussing about perimeter of that rectangle. So we have length and breadth. Then what is the perimeter of the rectangle going to be? So perimeter of the rectangular plot is equal to what is the formula for perimeter? 2 into L plus B. Okay, that means we have the value of L as 11x and B as 4x. 2 into 11x plus 4x. So 2 into 11x plus 4x is 15x, which gives us a total of 30x, because 2 15s are 30x. Now look carefully. We got the perimeter of this plot as 30x. Now look, 30x. For example, this 11x is meters and 4x is meters. Plot is going to be 30x meters, isn't it? 30x meters. Now look, at rupees 100 per meter. Okay, so in order to fence this part, they are asking us to pay rupees 100 per meter. What is the total meters we got under the perimeter of the rectangle? 30x. If for 1 meter it is 100 rupees, for 30x meters it is 30x into 100, isn't it? Look, if I say that for 1 meter it is rupees 100, then to cover 30x meters, what will be the cost? As you know, cross multiplication, 30x into 100. Using the same, by the problem or according to the problem, this 30x meters into rupees 100 per meter will be equal to rupees 75,000. Hope you got the point now. To fence this 130x meters, by costing at rupees 100 per meter, they are asking total 75,000. Now look, we can cancel this 0, 0. So 0, 0 can be cancelled here. So now what we have, 30x is equal to 750. The reason why I cancel this 0, 0 is because this 100, if it transfers to the other side, it will come as a division. So 0, 0 will be get cancelled. Again here also 0, 0 we can cancel. The leftover is 3x is equal to 75. Therefore x is equal to 75 by 3. Okay, 3 2's 25. So we got the value of x as 25 now. Okay, now look, what exactly they asked us to find. What are the dimensions of the plot? What are the dimensions? Dimension means length and breadth. So therefore length is equal to 11x. That means 11 into, we got the value of x as 25. So now we got the value of x as 25. So which makes 275. As the discussion is all about meters, it is 275 meters. Now breadth is equal to, what is the breadth we took? 4x. That means 4 into 25. That is equal to 100 meters. Hope you are quite clear with this. The clues are fence, hence perimeter. They gave 11:4, 11x, 4x. Being the fence, we are considering the perimeter of the rectangle, which makes 2 into L plus B. Here per meter they are charging 100. We got 30x meters. So 30x into 100, it is equal to 75,000. Hence we got the value of x as 25. Substituting the value of x in length and breadth, we got 275 and 100 meters respectively. Hope you are quite clear with the concepts. So tomorrow we'll discuss the next problems. As I am saying, these individual concepts, that means individual questions, are quite important. So please copy the CW carefully, and the homework I will notify you. So that's all for today. Have a great day.